So this right here is an example of really poor design. Can you pick out what's really bad about this design? I'll give you a second to think about it. What makes this terrible? Now I'm going to go through and point out a couple of things that make this really bad. Number one, this flag up here is troublesome. It's composited in poorly. If we look at the outline here of this flag, right, you see that it's very composited, very, very poorly. It was a quick job. It was a rush job. It looks terrible. Another thing is that this kind of white on light colors, it makes it really hard to read this, right? Chevrolet Silverado, our country, our truck. As you can see, that looks really, really bad, right? So that's really hard to do. And then just the choice of pictures are kind of hard too as well because we have things like what is these trampoline things in the background, right? Like those should probably be taken out in a way. We also have things where we have more saturation over here on the right, less on the left here, which is kind of a strange thing that's going on as well, right? And this might be because of this vignette that's going on that's causing that. So there's all kinds of design issues going on, which is bad that we've learned about. So be careful, right? As you can see, this is a real work in progress that would need to be fixed. So something to point out here that it's always good to not make these mistakes if you can.